Physics Part 409. We've got section questions. A sensor may be connected to an output device via processing unit. Explain the use of a potential divider as part of a processing unit. Question number 2. You are provided with two identical cells and a light-dependent resistor that has a resistance of 950 ohms in normal lighting. A. Design a circuit that will give an output that changes polarity from positive to negative as the light level changes from below normal to above normal. B. Explain the action of your circuit. Section 3, 14.3 Output Devices. At the end of section 14.3, you should be able to show an understanding of the use of the relays in electronic circuits. You should be able to show an understanding of the use of the light-emitting diodes, LEDs, as devices to indicate the state of the output of electronic circuits. You should be able to show an understanding of the need for calibrations, where digital or analog meters are used as output devices. The processing units described in the section produce an output voltage, and if this voltage is connected across some form of resistor, there will be current from the output of the op-amp to the resistor. This output current must not be larger than about 25 MA. With larger currents, op-amp would be destroyed. In fact, op-amp frequently have an output resistor as part of an integrated circuit, so that even if the output is shorted, the op-amp will not be damaged. This sensing circuit may be required to switch on or off an application that requires a large current. For example, an electric motor. The switching on or off of a large current by means of a small current can be achieved using a relay. So what is a relay? A relay is an electromagnetic switch. When a small current passes through the coil of an electromagnet, the electromagnet operates a switch. The switch is used to switch on or switch off a much larger current. The symbol for a relay is shown in the figure. The figure shows one way in which a relay may be connected to the output of an op-amp. The output of the op-amp may be positive or negative. However, diode D1 conducts only when the output is positive with respect to Earth. Therefore, the relay coil is energized only when the output of the op-amp is positive. When a circuit is switched off, an electromagnet, an EMF is induced to the coil of the electromagnet. This EMF could be large enough to damage the op-amp. A diode D2 is connected across the coil to protect the op-amp from this EMF. Note that the diode is connected so that when the output of the op-amp is positive, the diode D2 in the reverse biased so that the current is in the coil, not in the diode. Relays are designed so that they can be used to switch on or switch off currents when the coil of the relay is energized. The light emitting diodes, LEDs, as we talk about them.